Hey, welcome back to another free online guitar tutorial from Kitaristi Tampere. I am Mika, and in this video I will introduce you to a technique that is called tremolo picking. You can use that either in rhythm guitar playing, but also it's kind of interesting in lead guitar context. So I will introduce you quickly what I mean by that. Basically what is meant with tremolo picking is when you're picking one note a lot of times in a really short time. I'll demonstrate that for you now. That was just made up by me on the spot, but you can easily see that it requires really precise movements in your right hand and good synchronization between your two hands. And with right hand, I mean picking hand for those lefties out there. So you can either apply that in rhythm guitar, for example, when you're playing that one chord, you can in between. I just try to demonstrate a rhythm guitar riff that kind of can go like this. That is basically the whole idea. In a lead guitar context, I would suggest to play it a little bit like an emphasis. If you want to emphasize notes, for example, I would approach it like that. The way you do that is practicing that can be really tricky if you want to get it to really high speeds. So I will show you two main ways. First, you pay attention to making really small movements with your right hand. With your picking hand. Look at your right hand, at your picking hand only, and make slow movements. And if you want to avoid getting tired, and I assume you want to get tired in your fretting hand, what you need to do is also sometimes play extremely slow and teach your muscles that coordinate your wrist here in the forearm to relax after every stroke. So really just play a note and then after every note consciously focus on relaxing this arm, the arm muscle. So play, relax, play, relax, play, relax, and take that speed up slowly. This is one way to practice this, and you will want to practice in all the ways that I will show you now. The next is simply, just try to go as fast as you can, and watch what your fretting hand does very closely, and you might even want to go to speed bursts with that, like this. Yeah. And what I want to add to that is you want to really pay attention that you relax in between the speed bursts and also to make small and efficient movements. Next is you need to integrate this technique fluently, of course, with your other techniques. So just pick anything that you already can do, for example, play scale, and emphasize the highest note with tremolo picking. For example, let's take the E minor pentatonic here. And try to hit that as quickly as possible. That's it for now, and make sure to take advantage of the free download section. You will get a link below the video that will take you there, and you will find out how to get access to that. It's really easy. And if you need more guidance or more help with your guitar playing, make sure to visit my website www.kitaristitampere.vi. There you can get in touch with me if you want to take lessons from me in Tampere, and yeah, I'll gladly get to know you and hear what your current frustrations and struggles are, and we can have, talk about it that every time. Just fill out the contact form there, you won't miss it, that's a big button that leads you there. So yeah, just fill it out, send it to me, and I'm really looking forward to hearing from you, and I'm excited to get to know you, don't be shy, and just get in touch. Do it now, the sooner the better.